Our working to a brief assignments give you a unique opportunity to practice responding to the kind of commercial brief you would be given by a client or art director hiring you for a job. In this case, the art director is me or one of our other expert instructors. Each brief we assign contains detailed information about what you need to deliver, from the objective and purpose of the image or film to its lighting, mood and composition. Your job is to deliver what the client wants, to stay focused on their demands and expectations, and harness all of your skills and expertise to meet them. For each brief, I or another expert instructor will review every submission we receive in a follow-up live workshop, giving you a rare chance to get a detailed, professional feedback on your creative work. By helping you learn how to execute work to a commercial standard, our working to a brief assignments offer a great way to hone your creative skills and enhance your professionalism. So, if you're a visual artist looking to step into the commercial world, or even if you're already working with commercial clients, improve your chances of professional success by working to a brief.